Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I'm trying to get the label here. This is the second time that I have gotten the BLANC box. If you did not see my other unboxing of this box, go back, watch the video. I'll actually put the video, a link to the video at the end of this video. I was questioning whether or not I got the right box last time because of how much stuff was in it for the price that I paid. Right up here is the price. So I was anxious to get the next box. It's a seasonal home decor subscription that is, like I said, seasonal base. And it's supposed to be luxury decor. And I believe there's at least two different boxes you could pick from. But I picked one, like the lower pricing. So again, I have been waiting for this to come to see, is it as good as it was last time? So let's find out and answer that question together here, you guys. All right. So we have got some cards up here. So put that back up so you guys can see that. And let's see here. Does it tell how much I paid for this? It does not. Okay, but I already showed you on the screen. So this box is maybe half the sizes of what it was before, but I got a reef in the last box. So that's why it was like bigger this way. This one is taller than the last one. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. We got some pumpkins. 3 pumpkins. Now, these are very lightweight, and I think they're styrofoam. Yeah, I think these are styrofoam, and then with like a plastic up here, so you can, so they're very, very lightweight. And we got, or I got 3 of them. Next, I got some greenery and several stems. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we got a dozen of these stems. So let me take out one so you can see it. Are you kidding me? Okay. So when I went to pull them out, here's the ends and here's the wire. So let me stick them back in. It's not a very good sign of quality, is it? But in all fairness, I probably shouldn't just pulled them out. I probably should have cut this. So in all fairness, I didn't open them the way that you were supposed to open them. But yeah, here it is. And are you able to kind of, so you can't do too much fluffing with these, just only a little. But yeah, we got a dozen of those. And those are actually really nice filler. They're plastic. So like this is straight up plastic, but it's shiny. But if you use it as filler with other flowers, I think it's gonna be completely fine. And it's a really nice filler. So I like those. Let's see here. Next, got this. Okay. So we got 2-toned roses. Very fall-like. They are very pretty. We got, how many stems? So we got 5 stems. However, 3 of the stems are double-headed. So double-headed. And that's kind of like the height of them. They are very pretty. Next, ooh, these are pretty too. Let's see. Oh, those are really pretty, you guys. So let me get these, see if I can get it out the right way. Well, yeah, I'm not going to be able to. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems, and they look like they're mini hyacinths. Yeah. They do fluff out, which is nice. They too are plastic. However, they don't look it from a distance. So them being plastic is perfectly fine. They have a beautiful color. I like the number that we got. And it's a pretty color for going into early fall. I don't think I would want those like in the October time frame, but this like transition time right now, August, September, I think they're a pretty color. So, all right, next item, got some more floral. This is a beautiful color for fall. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? So pretty. We got 2 stems. So these are, they're a rose, but I think, what are these called? Are they Duchess, maybe? Like, you know, see, I think these might be called like Duchess roses. The color is absolutely beautiful. These, I don't, the back has a feel, I don't know for sure 100% if these are plastic, because they have a plasticky feel on the back, but the front, it does not at all. So I'm not sure, but they are absolutely beautiful. I probably would have liked a few more of these versus this, just because I don't think those go together. And these, I think, could complement each other. So it would have been nice to have a third flower that would complement. But regardless, they're beautiful, and I just want more of them. All right, next item, and the last item in the box. We got ribbon, I think. Yes, we got fine ribbon. It's not wired. And here it is. So that's our ribbon. Okay. So now let's talk about this box. It's not knocking my socks off like last time. Last time, I don't know what the heck happened. It was just an amazing box. Like, I got this in the box. This is just one of the things I got in the box, plus a wreath, and I think 3 bundles of flowers. So I'm trying to think what else. I mean, it just completely knocked my socks off. This box is more of filler, maybe. Yeah. So not as impressive. These are going to look very nice displayed. But they are styrofoam. This is supposed to be luxury holiday decor. None of this has a luxury feel to it. I probably would have rather received less items with better quality than trying to fill a box with a lot of things. Yes, so there are a lot of things. Value. This is a hard one. Because I am comparing prices from Hobby Lobby in my mind. And Hobby Lobby, there's always 50% off sales, it seems like, on florals and home decor. This is a hard one, you guys. If these had not been styrofoam, I would have probably said, yeah, we got our value. We are barely there on the value. Now, do these look like styrofoam? They do not. Do these look plasticky? They do. But they don't look like styrofoam. So that's a positive thing. But value, I think we're barely there with the value. And it's not luxury. So we're just going to have to wait and see what the winter box brings us. And, you know, there is a couple other subscription boxes. So, like, where my mind is going, I might keep this one for another season, but I might add the higher up so that we have that comparison in value. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So going to give this one another chance, another month, going to bring on another one of those, and we will see. But I do love floral. I do buy a lot of floral. There is that. So, but the ribbon, it's not wired. So that's my issue there, is with it not being wired. So, okay guys, there it is. Another unboxing, the second unboxing from the BLANC box. Down below, a link to this box. I'm also going to just restate what the price is, but go out and you can check out what other boxes they have as well. So there you have it. So thank you for tuning in, spending some time with me. Love to know your thoughts, especially those of you that were with me when I unboxed the last one and we were all just like, oh my God, what's your thoughts of this one? So, all right, you guys take care. Bye everyone.